Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Elijah. So today I thought I would make a video on the best drum bag for under $150 because I happened to just get a drum bag. So the drum bag I'm reviewing today, I don't really see how it could get any better. This is the first one I've had and I've been completely satisfied with it so far. This is the actual bag itself. This is the HPRC soft backpack for the DJI Spark Fly More combo. Now HPRC makes mostly drum bags for DJI drones because DJI is what most people use for drones, and that's what I use, so this is what I got. One thing you should know about these bags is that they're not worth getting unless you have a lot of extra gear with your drone, because if you have only a little, like a couple extra batteries, you can just store those either in your pockets or in a backpack that you have, because these HPRC bags, they're a little pricey just to hold a drone and a couple of extra batteries. So for this bag, as far as everything fitting in this bag goes, I really like it. I'll go ahead and show you how everything fits in this bag. This is the HPRC soft backpack for the DJI Fly More combo, almost fully loaded. So there is a kind of insert in here that is kind of a styrofoamy kind of foamy material. I'll go ahead and take that out so you can see everything better. This is the insert taken out of the bag. So as you can see right here we have our controller, here we have our drone, over here I keep a USB adapter just in case I need to charge my drone, and here is the micro USB cable for that, and here I also keep my extra propellers just in case I need those, and here, and here I keep my extra batteries. This bag can store up to 6 extra batteries, but I only have 3 because that is just what I have. So in here, this is the battery charging port, just in case I am at a spot where I can charge 3 batteries at a time and I'm not really doing anything at the moment with my drone. And here I keep my propeller guards. Always have your propeller guards with you. Over in here I keep one of the cables for my charging ports for my batteries, and then the other cable for that is over here. Also, if you did notice, there is a small notch over here where you can put something small such as your phone, which you do need to fly the drone. As far as storing things in the actual bag goes, there isn't really anything much you can do other than there is a small compartment right here where you can put a thin object such as a computer. You could also put your phone there and maybe snacks. I haven't really used it that much because I don't really have a laptop, and I haven't really gone on any long trips with this bag, but it does have its uses. So the price of most HPRC drone bags ranges from about $100 to $200. This one right here was $130. So as I said earlier in the video, it's not worth getting if you only have a couple of extra batteries or accessories, because you can just put them in your backpack. But if you do have more extra equipment than just a couple extra batteries, I would say it is definitely worth getting, because you won't have to replace it unless you get a different drone or you just do something stupid and break it. It is really durable, and I think that's one of the most important things that you need in any kind of case, because the number one goal of that case is just to keep your equipment safe. So that's actually all I have to say about drone bags. If you want to find out more about the specific drone model that this specific bag goes with, I'll put a link in the description below to my video on the DJI Spark, and you can watch that if you want to find out more about the drone itself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.